So moving forward, so how that we access data into MATLAB. Okay, so first what we did there. So we accessed Excel files. We can also access text or some binary files. We can also access or import data into the audio file format or video format, or we can also import as an image. Okay, so these are some files format that we can import into the MATLAB. We can also import as a web services, different web services, for example the JSON, CSV, and some the image data using the variables, right? So image values should be in the variables or in the numerical values, right? If I talk about the applications, so you can also access with different libraries of C++, Java, Fortran, or Python also, right? You can also get access with the .NET or shared libraries. Also work with the database toolbox. So for that, for this databases, what you can do, you just need to connect the databases with MATLAB, access the data or import the data, work with some data visualization process there, and you can get the particular data from these databases, the databases services, right? Using this database toolbox. If you talk about the major brand hardware, so data acquisition hardware, so the hardware acquisition toolbox is there, with this data acquisition toolbox, and also standalone instrument and devices are there. So with instrument control toolbox, so you can seamlessly work with this instrument control applications. So further that we can also work with the data analysis in this explore and discover steps. So we can manipulate or pre-process and manage our data. We can also do find out some outliers. So this is something a fast and accurate analysis with pre-built math or pre-built function in MATLAB, right? So some pre-built functions are there, so you can do and you can reduce your time onto this project. Some visualization techniques are there, using some different plots types are there. For example, the built-in graphics functions for engineering and science for 2D and 3D apps, right? So these are some interactive tools which available there. You can annotate and you can customize whatever the things that you want or whatever the application that you are working with, right? And further, if you want to share your the results with your colleagues, that so things are available, so you can share your results with your colleagues using some different tools available. So in MathWorks there are also the add-on tools available for the math statistics optimization. For example, the control system design analysis, signal processing communication, image processing, computer visions, and parallel computing. So I just discussed about the what is parallel computing. So this is simply the it will reduce your time, or it will distribute your the data or the load on different cores which available in your systems, right? MATLAB also supports some third party apps. Okay, so you can additionally works with you can interface with third party apps. You can found this third party apps on this MATLAB central forum. Sorry. Okay, so automatically you can generate some reports. That so we saw that how we can generate reports for it. Okay, and we use this reports for the publishing kinds of things, or in project things. You can also customize it further.